Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to J.P.BBQ. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Gonna fire up the Lone Star Grill today. We'll show you guys how to do a wood-fired oven, no, not oven pizza, a wood-fired firebox pizza inside your Lone Star Grill. Yeah, you heard it right. We're gonna fire it up, put pizza inside the firebox, see how it comes out like. You guys stay tuned. Check it out. Hey, let's go ahead and get started, guys. What I got here, I got some dough. Nothing fancy here. I got all this stuff at my grocery store. The only thing I probably warmed up was just that sausage that I was cooking, and I got it nice and cut up into small little pieces so we can, put it on top of our dough. But this dough I just got at my grocery store at Publix, and I did have to roll it out a little bit. I will take credit for that. But as far as making the dough, no, I didn't make it. But I will have to aerate it a little bit, and you get you one of these little things, got a little hole. I don't even know what it's called. I forgot what it was called, but I don't even know what it's for. I just know people use it. Makes your pizza come out good. I guess it's to allow the heat to go over the dough nice and even. So we'll run this on it and get it flipped over, and do the back side as well, and then we'll start putting our sauce on it and start getting it ready with all the goodness. There we go. That should be good enough. There we go. So the sauce that I'm using, I got it at the grocery store as well. They sell it in these kits, and I'll show it to you in just a second in what it looks. Mama Mary's pizza sauce, nothing fancy. I was just going to get a jar of some tomato sauce, but I saw this. I said, what the heck, let's give it a try, see what it's all about. Spread out the sauce. We're going to start putting some goodness on it. Sausage, and I also got some ham as well. And the sausage has got mushrooms in it. We'll see how this Lone Star Grill does with using the firebox as a pizza oven, you can say. Got some nice little bell peppers right here. And these are the sweet pepper rings. Got these at my grocery store as well. And we're gonna put some more mushrooms on it. Got a little portobello, baby Bella's mushrooms. I don't know about you guys, but man, this pizza is looking good. Can't wait to get all this cheese on it and bite into it once it's all done and ready. Got some onions. The next thing, hey, let's pile on the cheese. And I'm gonna be using some shredded mozzarella and some mild cheddar. Oh yeah. That looks good. Is there such thing as enough cheese? I don't know, probably not. So the two cheeses I'm using the mozzarella cheese and also some mild cheddar. Just to add it a little bit more flavor to it. I like cheddar. I like mozzarella. I like all kind of cheese. And there we go. That's what our pizza looks like. I'm happy with it. Time to get it in the firebox. There we go. Here we go, guys. It literally took about, I don't know, 15-20 minutes inside the firebox. My first pizza, my first attempt at making pizza inside of the firebox. I will say this up front: if you've never done this before, it is a little bit of a challenge. I've never made pizza except pizza that comes out of a box. But this pizza, putting it together was no big deal. But putting it inside the firebox, it got a little bit challenging, and the dough kept sticking. I'm not sure what was going on, but besides that, I'm gonna tell you, it looks fantastic. It looks good. And this is my first pizza done inside of the firebox, just using wood. This is a wood-fired smoker, and we're gonna see what it's all about. Let's cut into it. Nice and toasty. And maybe I just made my pizza too thick, I'm not sure. But here we go. Got that cut right there, and it's probably gonna be really, really hot. I got another one down in there that's got jalapenos. So we're gonna see. You know, can you hear that crunch? Oh my gosh, it's nice and toasty, that's for sure. Whew, it is hot, it is hot. See what it's all about, guys. Here we go. Long Star Grillz offset smoker pizza. Oh my god. Nice and toasty, that's for sure. Can taste the mozzarella, I can taste the sausage, I can taste the onions, the ham, the sauce. Really good, I'm telling you, it's really good. If you've never done it and you want to experience doing pizza inside your Lone Star Grill offset smoker, you should do it. You know, it's absolutely fun. It was definitely a challenge. You guys see that right there? Look at that. Look at that pizza. Let it focus. That's absolutely gorgeous. Give me another little bite. That is good pizza, guys. And I like it because it's nice and toasty. I gotta check my other one over there, make sure it doesn't get burnt and stuff. But besides that, guys, I appreciate you guys watching my YouTube channel. If you're not a subscriber yet, do me a favor. Click that little button right there in the corner. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would greatly appreciate it. Give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. And if you're interested in any of my products, do me a favor. Right here, I'll put a link to my website. The products that I sell help support this channel. And it'll also be down in the description below. Appreciate you guys very much. Love you guys. Take care. And I will see you guys on the next cookout. I'm going to eat some pizza.